Hello there and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 Minute English videos. If you enjoy this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online courses we offer. Today was the last day of the football season here in England, and there was some high drama at the top of the Premier League. Manchester City, who started the day top of the table and who were the bookies' favourites to win, somehow ended up being 2-0 down at home to Aston Villa with 20 minutes to go. Meanwhile, Liverpool, their closest rivals, were drawing, a result which would have meant they could have claimed the title. However, miraculously, Manchester City managed to score 3 goals in about 5 or 6 minutes and came back from 2-0 down to win 3-2 and to win the Premier League title. They basically managed to snatch victory from the jaws of defeat. If you snatch victory from the jaws of defeat, you somehow, against all odds, manage to win when it seems certain that you were going to lose. It's often something that we use to talk about sport, football matches, basketball matches or whatever, where you somehow fight back and manage to win when it looks certain that you're going to lose. But it could also be used in politics. Sometimes a party looks like they're going to lose an election and then miraculously they somehow fight back and snatch victory from the jaws of defeat. And it can also be used in war. It might look like you're losing a war, it might look like the war is going badly, but you fight back and manage to snatch victory from the jaws of defeat. We also sometimes, slightly more ironically, talk about the opposite, about snatching defeat from the jaws of victory, about somehow managing to lose when it looks certain that you're going to win. And sadly, my team, Arsenal, up until about 3 games ago, looked certain to finish above our deadly North London rivals, Tottenham. But sadly, we ended up finishing 2 points behind them, having managed to snatch defeat from the jaws of victory. Ah well, there's always next year. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure you click the like button. Please share it with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comments section below. We'd love to see examples of how you might use these phrases.